Oh, do you want me to do the talking? Well, guys, we didn't put up a video last week, and I apologize. I've been heavy into the canning, because I'm turning into a half-assed doomsday prepper, so I've been canning a ton, and it's been really rainy here, so that's kind of impacted what we can film and show. So now we're just gonna go milk, go to the goats, go milk, and towards the end of this video we have some footage from the day we brought home Link, who we got from Loki's breeder. She kindly offered him to us in place of Loki after he passed, so you'll get a chance to see him. There's not much going on here. Daily. Oh, we're renovating our bathroom. That's the other reason there wasn't a video. So we'll show you that when it's finished. Or maybe after the floor is ripped up before we start officially remodeling it.
Little filling on the stump there. Zoom in so tight you can't make anything work. But goats. Oh, still zoomed in. Meow. Why so serious?
I was just thinking that Briar and Zelda aren't out.
The Briar was out. What are any boots on for?
Huh?
What are any boots on for?
Because I forgot you laid the pallets down.
Oh.
She hurts my hands.
And I can milk her out left, right, and sideways. I love milking Daisy.
Yeah, the only reason I'm milking right now is because it's going to be you tomorrow.
I know.
Because I'm in work early and it's raining and you love me. And you'll milk in the rain.
Yep.
Because as you guys could see...
Well, we haven't seen that way yet.
No, I was just going to say, my Easy Up is gone.
Yes, the Easy Up is gone. The Easy Up got taken again by the rain. Rain buildup and all sorts of other jazz, and not catching it until the following morning when it's already down. The one leg that you can see right there, right behind Sam's shoulder. And for having two Easy Ups, we can't piece together one. Which I think is stupid, but it's just the way everything broke. And unfortunately, with everything going on currently, supply and demand has been higher on that kind of products at local stores.
That's okay, I'm just gonna make it till next year.
Yep, that is true.
And we'll just build some sort of permanent structure, some metal roofing,
Yep.
Nothing fancy. Put up some metal roofing.
More of just a lean-to situation.
Huh?
Just a lean-to situation.
Yeah.
And maybe make sure we can attach some sort of wind block.
Yeah.
Would be cool. So. All in time. All in time. Homesteading is not an overnight process. Ew, excuse me.
It's funny, I'm not left-handed, but I'm a stronger milker with my left hand.
You and me both.
I'm not gonna say what yours is from. Yeah.
No.
No?
I'm right-handed. So I don't understand how left-handed has anything to do with it. Milked out. Go milked out. So here's Ethel. Are you not going to tie her up?
I haven't been eating to.
Now Sam just goes to town on these little udders. This is where I struggle. I think it's because your hands are smaller. I think it's because your hands are smaller. That's what I'm equating it to.
Could be. You can definitely tell Flame's gotten taller. Oh, guys, I measured her the other day. She is officially 17 and a half, almost 18 inches tall now. Woo. Her weight's not that good according to that scale, but I almost wonder if it's sitting out in the rain as, like, it needs a new battery.
Needs a new battery, yeah.
Because I feel like she's got to weigh more than 23 pounds.
Yeah. We can't take in the house scales having an issue,
yeah.
so. Because I would just
her up
say.
the other day, so
Yeah,
you
no,
would know.
she's got a little bit of weight on her. She's got a little bit more weight.
Because, I mean, Acadia is like 23 pounds.
Yeah, she weighs more than Acadia, that's for sure.
So I'm assuming Feline's probably closer to the 30-pound range right now.
Yeah.
So hopefully by November, December, she'll reach at least 40 pounds for us to breed her.
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for with a Nige, is at least 40 pounds. If not, I'll just wait and breed her in like March, April.
Yeah.
For August or September babies from her.
Yep. Really?
Yeah.
This is where I'm envious of Sam, because Sam can just milk and be done. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. There goes Ethel, to the stump, to the pallet.
A little bit more in her, but
Yeah. To the new gate. Not Daisy. So I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's a little muddy. Little thick.
Can I have a goat, please? Lucy!
Then there's the boys way over yonder. Thor, actually not Thor, that's Apollo. And Achilles. And the rabbits.
Lucy!
A little swampy through there. There's Miss Briar. Reach around the corner. There she is. And then Daisy up there. Or Feline up there, not
Clover,
Daisy.
come on!
And then Clover.
Come on,
Come here, Clover. Okay.
Come on, Clover!
And Nova. Nova's over there too. So we'll have to.
Clover, come on!
I guess I'm gonna have to go in there. Yay! So behind everybody, over there. Let's see. Come on, Thor. Right there. Little guy behind there hiding. That is Link. Or what we're well, his homestead name would be Link. He's a little tan white boy here. Born back in March. Got him from, I can't remember the name. I'll figure it out and then I'll let you guys know. But this is to replace Loki. He's a registered buck, blue-eyed. He does have a couple moon spots. Have yet to see him, but he does have his beard coming in. We picked him up yesterday. So, there's Link.
So guys, that's the current stuff going on around here. The garden's doing okay. It's gotten quite wet. The peas, tomatoes, carrots, beets. My zucchini's doing amazing. Peppers are doing great. The pumpkin, not so much. Cucumber is doing wonderful. I'm a little worried about whether or not we'll actually get potatoes, because they've been as wet as they have been. But we'll see. I do know after growing this garden this year that I probably will not grow lettuce next year. As nice as it would be to have on hand, we just don't actually eat enough of it on a regular basis to warrant growing, or at least to warrant dedicating as much space to it as we did this year. Maybe just a very small bed, 6 plants next year, not the amount that we did. Instead, I'm gonna do, sorry it's dark, I'm gonna do a bigger patch of, I think, peas and more cucumber. Instead of all the lettuce. So, but yeah, sorry again. It took so long to get this update out. We got some nice weather this week, so hopefully there will be more. Sorry, I'm gonna get my filter ready to strain the milk. So hopefully there will be another video this weekend, for sure. We're gonna try. We're gonna try.
Can we not? I'm shirtless.
Oh well.
They don't need to see me. Oh.
So sensitive. So sensitive. We're finally getting our own chicken eggs again. After buying new nesting boxes, nesting pads, and realizing it was probably the guinea because he was bored. So, we're finally getting eggs again.
Ugh.
Oh, I probably could have used a quart jar.
We can take a mix this morning's with that once it cools.
Oh, that's kind of what I was thinking. Storage reasons. Obviously the goats have slowed down a little bit because of the rain and the heat. Because, well, if it's not raining, it's hot here. And if it's not hot, it's raining for the last, like, 2 weeks. So, they've slowed down a little bit. The plan is just to try to carry them through until kidding, so we start kidding season in November, start breeding, and then I'll start drying them off. And hopefully we'll get some milk set aside before then in the freezer. And then we'll be in milk aplenty next year. Yeah, and you guys will come along on my next cheese making journey. I just made a cream cheese out of pure goat's milk, which was delicious. And I'm thinking if it doesn't get eaten here soon, it's going to get made into a cheesecake. I have a small pan, and I have just enough that it would be just enough for dessert one night. Oh, here, let me take you over to my most recent endeavor of canning, which was yesterday. Flip you back around. So this was yesterday. All these wonderful jars, except for these guys. These were the other day. But we have bread and butter jalapenos, a nectarine barbecue sauce, nectarines and syrup, and then tomatoes. And those are pickled beets and some pickled carrots to go with salsa, pickles, chicken soup, grape jelly, hot pepper jelly, peaches and syrup, peach pie filling, peach butter, and there's peach jam in this mess somewhere. And I'm not done. My dad has made the promise of making baked beans in a couple large batches for us to can those. I want to can some chili and some beef stew. And I'd like to do some more pickles because Trinity's a pickle fiend. And there's probably going to be a couple other things that I'll think of as I go. Just to make sure we have a good stockpile. The plan is maybe later this summer, we have a spare bedroom upstairs, is to take and clean it out and make some room for a shelving unit or two to put all these canned goods in. So they're not taking up all this space in the kitchen, because those guys actually need to find a darker home than that. Light kind of saps out nutrition of canned goods, so that's why everything in the store, or mostly everything in the store, is in a tin can versus glass. But yeah, so stay tuned. Later this week there should be another video up. And we'll see you guys then.
Wait, no, it's not. It's real. This is where you gotta do, like, the outro. Like, we're still trying to get all that stuff together where we're doing, you know, the Instagram, that play button. I really want a play button for the shed. I just want it in the shed. So, make sure you're following the links that we have, or all the social media we have. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, the .com. Not to be confused with the fishing vessel, the .com from Wicked Tuna. Follow us on RevaseHomestead.com. Hopefully there's some newer posts up there.
Not yet. Probably.
We'll start getting some new posts together.
Probably tonight, tomorrow.
Hey, whatever. We're busy people. We're trying to get everything done. Homesteading is priority one, but working to do set homestead is also priority. So. Until next time, guys.